buns, I'm the Courtney Williams. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm wandering Ba Vi, Vietnam, which is about an hour outside of Hanoi. I didn't really vlog per se, but I did take a few clips and pictures that I want to share. So I hope you guys enjoy them. Honey buns. I am back home. Oh my god. So Ba Vi was amazing. It was a really cool city, but it's not that far. It's like an hour and a half from the center of Hanoi, but it was just like a really pretty day going. But coming back, oh my god, when I tell y'all, I should have dressed like with my scarf and like maybe some pants and some like tennis shoes or something, because it was so cold. It was like Hanoi was looking all beautiful earlier, and then now it's like so cold outside, but I think it'll be fine. So I'm trying to decide right now, like I'm gonna go get a snack because I'm kind of hungry, and I need to edit a video for you guys. So I need a snack for a little motivation so that I can edit that video. So I'm gonna go grab something from, maybe it's like a little bakery that I just found that has this amazing banana bread, but it always gets sold out like in the beginning of the day. But I'm hoping that they have some left, but we'll see. I don't know, but I'm supposed to be meeting one of my co-workers tonight to grab some drinks or whatever, and she's like super cool. So I don't know, I might take you guys. I'm not sure yet, because I don't know, I will just see how I'm feeling or whatever. But let me go get some snacks because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe, of course. As always, remember, people will stare and make it worth their while. And I'll see you later, honey buns.